Okay, I'm going to shoot my 410 shotgun at about 12 feet from these targets right here. And I'm going to shoot 2 self-defense rounds. I got the Hornady on the left, and I got the Winchester on the right. The Hornady has the 41 grain slug and the 235 caliber projectiles. The Winchester has some disc and some coated BBs in it. And so I'm going to do that and see what kind of results. The Hornady will be on the target on the left, and the Winchester will be at the target on the right. Now, I'm not very good at this, so I gotta take my time, make sure I get this right. Somewhere right around there. Wish me luck. I'm not the greatest cameraman. Okay. Got a little wet. Anyways, that's with my CVA Hunter 410 single shot. They run about $200. Right now they're not available. So that's with the Hornady. What? Can you come help us? Yeah. And then this is with the self-defense round for the Winchester. So you can see the pattern was really close at 12 yards right there with the Winchester. And the pattern was real close with the Hornady. The damage looks like it's greater with the Hornady going through the box than it is with the Winchester. But still, it's pretty good. Alright, I just want to show that.